Introducing a stunning new home in Cape Coral, Florida. Exquisite features for a modern lifestyle. Inside you'll find elegant wooden ceilings, sleek waterfall counters, and a state-of-the-art wine cooler. The kitchen is equipped with a contemporary sink and modern blinds, while a dedicated coffee station awaits your morning routine. Discover a hidden walk-in pantry/laundry room for seamless organization. Step into the outdoors and be greeted by a refreshing saltwater pool and spa, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The fully equipped outdoor kitchen invites al fresco dining, all within the comfort of a screened pool cage. Master Suite offers a unique touch with the design, allowing you to activate the water before stepping in. Additionally, a spacious custom-made walk-in closet provides ample storage for your wardrobe essentials. This home offers a harmonious blend of luxury and functionality, creating a haven for